In this video I will show you how to make a game pass in Roblox on mobile. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Let's go ahead and open our browser. Go to roblox.com. Then log into your account. Click on the Create tab. Next is click this 3 dots button, then select Desktop Site. Let's zoom in here, then right below Start Creating, click Manage My Experiences. Then click your public place. Tap on this menu button, then select Associated Items. Click Passes. Then tap Create a Pass. Then you need to upload an image. This could be any image. After that, rename the pass. You can also input a description if you like. After that, hit Create Pass. Now we need to put the pass into sale by clicking the pass again. Then click the menu button. Select Sales. Turn in this toggle beside Item for Sale. Then give it a price. Take note that only 70% will be given to the creator, so if you price it with 10 you will only earn 7. Finally, click Save Changes. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.